welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me or you're new here, my name is Tanya M, aka Diablo Verde, and today we're going to be doing another wig review. Before we get into the wig review, I just want to say if you're looking for honest reviews on wigs, makeup, etc, etc, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then head over to my Instagram and follow me there too, because you'll see previews of wigs that I will be reviewing, also updates and like photos of, you know, just up close photos and whatnot of how I wear the wig. So today's wig is on another Amazon vendor wig. Y'all know that I always search for cheap wigs, and a lot of times we stick to the main websites like Sans Beauty, Go Beauty, and Y, Wig Types, etc, etc, but there's other places that you can buy some bomb wigs like Amazon. Today's wig is by a vendor called Candace Hair, and it is a synthetic wig. It's 24 inches long in the color 1B. It says Candace Hair synthetic wig, glueless lace front wigs, long, loose curly with baby hair, natural hairline, heat resistant, etc, 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 and it was $35.88. So let's go ahead and open her up. I did already open it and look at it, but I haven't tried it on yet. So this will be a first try on. And then we can, you know, see how the wig is and what we have to do to finesse it. So right out of the package, the hairline, it looks like they tried to, you know what, I'm gonna just put it on. Before I put it on, it has 3 combs in the front. It is a lace frontal unit, so you have a lot of rooms to work with, like parting space, like free parting space. The middle, it has lace ear to ear, but the middle is more so like a 4x4 parting space. It's very silky textured in a wavy curl pattern. So let me show you the picture that it shows, okay? Okay, if y'all can see, I'm trying to get it. This is a picture that it shows on a model, which obviously is either, it's a lace frontal on the model, however it is definitely human hair. So let's see, they do post pictures of the wig on a mannequin, so it is the exact wig on a mannequin. It looks very similar, so I do like that. I see it's layered a bit, so let's see. I'm gonna clasp the tabs together and put her on before I cut the lace. This is gonna mess my eyebrows up. So this is a tight wig, and I'm not sure if it's tight because of the lace still being on there, but I like it. I'm gonna cut the lace and put her back on and see if, like, this hairline, okay, so it does have baby hairs, but this hairline needs a lot of work. I'm trying to think if I should pluck the hairline now on camera, because it's going to make for a long video. But this hair is really, it's really nice. I like it. I'm not going to mess with it too much because otherwise it'll mess the wave pattern up. She is long. It's very long. It comes down to the top of my butt. It's like right before it gets to my butt. I'm pulling on it. I'm not going to run my fingers through it, but I'm pulling on it like this, and I'm not getting any shedding. So I'm going to play with the hairline a bit. I'm going to pluck it a little bit. I'm not going to do it on camera because I don't want to make this video too long, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and plucked the unit a few bit. I only did like 2 rows. If you get me what I'm saying, when I say 2 rows, when I part it, I part a little row, do some plucking, part another little row, and do some more plucking. So I tried my best to maintain the texture. I think it's a little bit, I made it a little bit frizzy in the front where I plucked, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do. This lace is nice. As far as the tint goes, I don't feel like I need to tint it anymore, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the rest of the lace and lay some baby hairs. And then we can see what she's hitting for after that. Okay, so I'm done with the wig. I'm done customizing it. I didn't glue her down because I have other wig reviews to do today, but she's definitely able to be glued down. The lace is really soft. The cap is really, well, I guess the cap could be considered big as far as how far the hairline comes down, but after I cut the lace, I still have the straps adjusted all the way, and it feels comfortable on my head, so I would say it's big head friendly. And I have a small head, so it fits comfortably on my head. I love the curl pattern. It's really natural. It reminds me of naturally kinky, not kinky human hair, but if you did like a braid out on some thick European Italian hair. I don't know. It doesn't match our texture, but it's really nice. It's really natural. A natural texture, and it's flowy. It's not extra shiny. I like it. It didn't tangle that much when I went to go ahead and pluck the hairline, which you're going to need to pluck the hairline because it's going to be a little bit too thick. But I think the way I plucked it, it's fine now. Yeah, and if you want a video on how to pluck your wigs, it's coming soon, so just be patient with me because I got a lot to do. I'm getting a lot of reviews requests, and it's like I gotta do those, and then I gotta do my tutorials also. So I still have to do my Finesse Your Amazon wig tutorial, where I will show you how to pluck the lace on a synthetic wig, because it is a lot different. It's a little bit more difficult than a human hair wig, so I will show y'all that. Anyway, I like this unit, and for the price, she's really nice. It reminds me of some Friday Night hair. I guess the quality and the feel. It reminds me of the Friday. If you know the brand Friday Night Hair, it's really a really good brand. They have really realistic wigs with a lot of lace frontal parting, synthetic wigs, I mean, with the lace frontal parting. So check them out too. I think I did one review on them, but I have bought several other wigs before I started doing reviews, so I knows about them. Anyways, if you like this honest review and this fun find, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell, because girl, I got so many more for you. I got so many more for you. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.